大家好 Welcome to Chinese Teacher Clint's Mandarin class. And in this lesson, we're going to learn the fourth type of this subject-predicate sentences structure. In previous lessons, we learned that we can use a verb, adjective, or noun as the predicate. But today, we're going to learn a different one, which is called subject-predicate sentences, meaning the predicate itself is a mini subject-predicate structure. So it's like a small sentence in a big sentence, right? Let's take a look. He is in good health. 他身体很好. So here, 他 is the subject of the whole sentence, right? And then we have this 身体很好. This is definitely the predicate, right, of the whole sentence, because we already have the subject, and then this whole phrase is the predicate. But inside this predicate, you may notice that there is also a 身体, which is a noun, as the subject, and 很好, the 好. Remember, we learned that adjective as the predicate, right? 很好, adjective, very good. Predicate. So this mini predicate, this predicate has a mini subject and predicate, right? Therefore, it's called subject predicate as a predicate. Okay, literally he, or as the topic. Yeah, that. Therefore, people call Chinese sentences topic prominent sentences. It's like you give a topic, like he. 他, we're going to talk about him. But what about him? 身体很好. So about him, body very good, meaning health very good. All right. Therefore, it's like a topic, and then we comment on the topic. As for this book, I haven't read it. 这本书我看过. Okay. So the topic, or the bigger subject, 这本书, this book, this noun phrase as the subject of the bigger subject of the whole sentence. And the 我看过, this whole phrase is the predicate, but inside this predicate we have the 我, the mini subject. 看过 is a verb as the predicate. Okay, 看过 means read. Have read. Okay, next one. He has a big temper. The topic subject, 他, meaning he, and then the bigger predicate, 脾气很大. Inside this bigger predicate, we have the mini subject, 脾气, temper, 很大, very big, as the mini predicate. Okay. Next one. The goods in this shop are very cheap. 这家商店东西很便宜. Now let's find the bigger subject. 这家商店, this noun phrase, this shop. And the bigger predicate, 东西很便宜. All right, this phrase. But inside this bigger predicate, we have a mini subject. 东西 means things. 很便宜, very cheap. Adjective as the mini predicate. Your eyes are very beautiful. 你眼睛很好看. The bigger subject, 你, or the topic subject, 你, you. And a bigger predicate, 眼睛很好看, the phrase. Inside this bigger predicate, we have this mini subject, 眼睛, eyes, 很好看, adjective, very good looking, very beautiful, as the mini predicate. Therefore, this is called subject predicate as the bigger predicate, right? So the more you analyze, the more familiar you will be with this structure. And then you can use it to read and write. Okay, he speaks very fast. 他说话速度很快. Now the bigger subject, or the topic subject, he. So what about him? About him, 说话速度很快. This is a bigger predicate. And inside this, we have this mini subject, 说话速度, meaning speaking speed. Right? 说话速度很快, very fast. Right? So by understanding, right, by analyzing this structure, you will know the logic behind the Chinese language or Chinese sentences, right? Then it will not be chaotic when you read or write. Transportation in this city is inconvenient. 这个城市交通不方便. Now the topic subject, 这个城市, this city, as the noun phrase, and the bigger subject, 交通不方便. This whole phrase is a predicate. But inside it, we have a mini subject, 交通, transportation, 不方便, not convenient, adjective as the mini predicate. Now next one, my stomach is uncomfortable. 我肚子不舒服. The topic subject, 我, means me. So as for me or about me, 肚子不舒服. This is a phrase as the predicate. Now inside it, the mini subject, 肚子, stomach, the noun as the mini subject. 不舒服, not comfortable, adjective, a negative adjective as the mini predicate. So this is like about me, the stomach is not comfortable. Right? That's the structure and logic of this type of sentences. He writes essays very well. But this is a natural English translation, right? But we should strictly follow the Chinese logic if you want to better understand this. 他, he, which is the topic subject. 作文写得很好. The bigger predicate. Inside it, we have the mini subject, 作文. Okay. 作文. And 写得很好. 写的 is a verb. So 写 is write. 作文 is essay. 写 is the verb write. 的 is the degree complement, right? And then you add the result description. 很好, very well. So essay writes very well. Now this is inside this bigger predicate, we have the subject and the predicate 写的, as well as the complement, right? So the predicate can be even longer and more complex. As for this problem, we have already discussed it. 这个问题我们已经讨论过了. So here the topic subject, 这个问题, this problem, the noun phrase is the bigger subject. 我们已经讨论过了. This is actually a whole sentence because it's independent. It can be an independent subject, predicate, and complement, right? So it has all the grammatical components it needs to become an independent sentence, right? But it is the bigger predicate here. But inside it, we have the mini subject, 我们, we, 已经 adverb, already, 讨论 the verb, which is a predicate, discuss, 过了, meaning we already finished doing this. So this is the whole sentence. If you still remember the grammatical components lessons, you know that we, 我们, the subject, the noun phrase, right? The noun as the subject, and the 已经 adverb is the adverbial, right? 讨论 verb as a predicate, 过了 is the complement. But again, this still follows the topic plus bigger predicate. Next one. He is in very healthy shape. 他身体很健康. topic subject 他 he. So what about him? And then we will comment. 身体很健康. This is a bigger predicate, right? And inside it, we have a mini subject, 身体 body, 很健康 adjective as the mini predicate. 很健康 very healthy, right? Now next one, I don't know about this matter. 这件事 this thing, this phrase, noun phrase as the bigger subject or the topic subject. 我不知道 this is the subject predicate, a mini subject and mini predicate as together as the bigger predicate, right? 我 is I, mini subject, 不知道 so negative predicate, 不知道 don't know, 知道 is a verb. Alright guys, so today we analyze quite a lot of example sentences. I hope you are very familiar with this subject predicate sentences within the simple sentences in Chinese. Alright, see you next time. 再见。